Hey, hope everything's going well. Listen, I just came back from a run, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know I find a lot of money on the streets. Well, today I found something and I wanted to open it up on camera so you could be here with me to see what it is. Now, I don't always find money. I find all kinds of things in the streets, and I call this urban treasure hunting, all right? I'm gonna do some more videos on it because I think it's kind of fun, and I think it's kind of a trip how much stuff I find, but I attribute that to my story, which is, you know, I always find stuff, valuable stuff. I always find money, I always find all kinds of things in the street. So let's see if that proves out to be true today again with this latest find, all right? Now, for those of you on Instagram, go to my profile, click the link, and go to my website because I'm going to post the full video on the website. You're only going to see the first minute here, but let me show you what this is. Okay, this bag. I found this bag in the street, like literally almost laying in the street, and I didn't open it. I wanted to save the opening for camera, so here we go. Okay, so what is in this bag? Oh my God. Wow, check that out. Now, what are the chances any of this is actually good? So there's no way this camera's working, right? Lens must be smashed. Whoa, it's perfect. This camera's perfect. God. Now, who would leave this just laying around? All right, you know, this is something I'm definitely gonna have to return this to the owner, but you know, let me just look through here some more. This looks like a pretty valuable, I mean, it almost looks brand new. I mean, I found this in the street. Okay, literally in the street. It was amazing. Who would leave this behind? It's just mind-blowing. Check it out. There's all this equipment in here. So let's see if there's any ID. Okay, some batteries, filters, some microphone, some batteries, a battery charger, windscreen. Okay, no ID yet. You know, when you have something valuable like this, you should definitely put your name on it or put your information inside your bag or something, so if you lose your stuff, someone can return it to you. I mean, I'm one of the few people actually would return something like this. Most people would just keep it. But maybe I can find out who it belongs to. No, doesn't seem to be any ID in this bag at all. Nope. Wow. All right, well, that's today's find. This amazing camera, which seems to look like it's in perfect working condition. So maybe it's time to change your story, right? So what's your story? Is your story that you find money all the time, that you find stuff on the streets? You start telling that story, you're gonna manifest these things happening to you. And look, this is just a perfect example. You know, I'm always talking about carefreeness and rewriting your story and creating that life that you want to have. And this is just like another example of being able to manifest things like this in your life. Now, I'm gonna see what I can do, go through this some more, see if I can return it to the person, so stay tuned. If you know anybody that lost this camera and this camera bag, let me know, and I'll get it back to them right away, okay? Because I'm sure somebody is really bumming out today that they lost this, but I'm the one that found it, so I'm gonna get it back to them. All right, stay tuned, and I'm gonna let you know what happens. Talk soon.
1 minute, let me just get my tea.
Get your tea. I'm returning this gentleman's camera that I found. I'm filming you. Will you sign a release?
Absolutely. Make some money.
What's that right there?
This is a good Samaritan.
Huh? What's that right there? Gamma bag.
God, the microphone's in there.
Check that out. Everything's there.
These are gold. This is just.
Tell everybody your name.
My name's Chris Spiro from Long Range Video, and
how happy are you to get this back, Chris?
I'm extremely happy. I mean, this is my life. I don't have a lot of cameras, and I have this camera.
See that? What are the chances of that? I found that in the street.
It's incredible. You know, when you've lost something, it's a horrible thing.
It's horrible,
Not only
right?
that someone has come in and stolen it, but just to have it for me anyway.
Absolutely.
You know, it's mine. Get the insurance money. That's mine. That's my things.
Absolutely.
That's amazing that you found it and brought it back.
Yell cut.
Batteries are here.
Say cut.
Cut.